Hi, I'm Raees, Mohamed, founding partner of R.M. Warner Law, and today I wanted to talk to you about defamation on TikTok. TikTok, as you know, is the ultra-viral app that is gaining a lot of traction, especially among professionals now. And recently we had a situation where a famous TikToker allegedly boasted that she was aware that Kanye West had an affair with Jeffree Star, and then later recanted, completely making the story up just to get clout on TikTok. As if that wasn't obnoxious enough, right? But does Kanye West have an action for defamation? And the answer is probably yes. So what do you do if you're defamed on TikTok? What are your options? So I want to just give you a quick checklist of things that you should do. The number one thing you should do is you should save the defamatory content, because TikTok content can disappear just like any content on the internet. You can actually download stories and posts on TikTok directly from the app. So make sure you download it. You can also screen record if that's not working for you. Worst case scenario, take a screenshot. But preservation is important because we need to know exactly who said what about whom so that we can look at whether your case even holds water. Second thing you should do is you should immediately contact a knowledgeable attorney because of the statute of limitations. Statute of limitations in most jurisdictions is between a year, 2 years, sometimes they're longer. But oftentimes people forget to take action and they think it'll just blow over and then it comes up again, and sometimes it's too late. So number one, preserve the defaming content. Number two, talk to a lawyer immediately. And number three, take action. Oftentimes we can get rid of defamatory content on TikTok with a demand. That doesn't always work, and sometimes we have to go to the courthouse, which is usually a last resort. Sometimes we even have to get a restraining order preliminarily before we file a full lawsuit. But just make sure you follow these steps in case you are suffering from defamation on TikTok. It's a growing problem, and I'm sure you might encounter it. At least now you have the tools in your toolkit. A common question that I get asked when people are defamed on TikTok is whether they should be responding to the defamer on the app. And usually my answer is no. And this is why. If you know anything about TikTok, you know that the smallest thing can go viral. It can get thousands of likes, thousands of views, or if not hundreds of thousands of views. You don't want to make the mistake of saying something defamatory back to the person that was defaming you. So what should you do? It is okay to perhaps try to correct the record in certain limited circumstances, like if you're a professional, you're a dentist, you're a doctor, you're a lawyer, or some sort of business person, and somebody's making a fictitious complaint on a post. You can certainly respond and state simply, this is false, this is inaccurate, please contact us if you're a disgruntled customer. Nothing wrong with doing that. But the banter that I'm talking about is going back and forth and having a ping pong match on a TikTok post. Absolutely would not recommend it. And this is usually true for Google reviews and Yelp and other platforms where you might get defamed. But just remember, TikTok is one of the most viral applications. When you post content on TikTok, it catches fire pretty quickly, usually. You just don't want to be caught in the fire and the crosshairs of getting into online banter with people that you don't want to be engaging with. And remember, some people have nothing better to do because they're just internet trolls, and they want to sit there and engage you because they know it's entertaining. And unfortunately, people like to watch entertaining things, even if it's defamatory or obnoxious content. So, in short, don't engage in the online back and forth on TikTok if you are a victim of defamation. Sometimes it's okay to make a quick and short statement disclaiming that this is not a truthful or accurate review or statement, and that you should be contacted if anybody has questions on what the reality is. For more information about what to do if you're defamed on TikTok or any other platform, visit us at rmwarnerlaw.com and tell us your story.